Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on sensitive content on Twitter. So let's get started. Begin by launching your X application. Then tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on Settings and Support. Scroll down a little and then tap on Settings and Privacy option. Now select Privacy and Safety option. Tap on Content You See, which is under your X activity. To turn on sensitive content on Twitter, just enable Display Media that may contain sensitive content option. And that's it. Thanks for watching Online Help Guide. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.